Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is harmony. Balance. You're the gymnast of the universe. Therefore, this is right up your alley. Mind, body, and spirit. How do you harmonize mind, body, and spirit? Reading, feeding, and exercising your mind by reading things that you actually interest you and on the direction of where you want to go. Make sure that you have a prayer meditation life. Exercise that spirit by meditating and speaking to spirit in the version of how you speak to him. There's many ways to call up spirit and talk to him on the phone. Whatever your version is, spend more time with spirit. And then take that walk, those sit-ups, those push-ups, anything that you do physically to your capacity to work out your body. And that's how you make sure you have a harmony within your mind, body, and spirit. And things will just gracefully come into your life smoothly. I open myself to divine being within me. I'm the image of God, thus I have the power to bring light into my life, and I turn darkness that is in me into something beautiful, and I light up the world. In the absence of resentment, in the absence of anger, and in the absence of doubt, I find harmony. And how do you cut these things out of your life? By balancing mind, body, and spirit with positivity, with great energy, and therefore you manifest harmony, and you're ready for the next step. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.